Good morning. Today, I'm proud to share with you the exciting world of Pinoy food delivery specialties, a service dedicated to bringing the delicious flavors of Filipino cuisine directly to your door. This business is all about offering a convenient food delivery service featuring a wide variety of traditional Filipino dishes. We bring the food taste of Philippines to you no matter where you are. Get your favorite Filipino meals delivered fast right to your door. Enjoy home-cooked quality dishes made from fresh, locally sourced ingredients that taste just like the ones from your family kitchens. Pinoy Food Delivery Specialties is here to take the hassle out of mealtime so you can enjoy the warmth and comfort of Filipino cuisine dishes without cooking. What are you waiting for? Dive in the best Filipino cuisine delivered to your doorstep. Food is the ingredient that binds us together. Order now and let us bring the taste of home to you. Follow us on my social media account.